Triangle ABC is isosceles with base BC. The length of the base to the legs is a ratio of 2 to 3. The perimeter of the triangle is 154 centimeters. Find AB. So remember, in an isosceles triangle that we have two congruent legs and a base. So the ratio of the base to the legs is 2 to 3. That means the base is 2x and the legs are 3x. So we can add those together to set them equal to the perimeter. So 3x plus 2x equals our perimeter, which is 154. So we get 8x equals 154. X is going to be 19.25. Now it says that BC is the base, which means our vertex is going to be, the vertex angle is going to be A. So if we are trying to find AB, we would have 3 times 19.25, and we get 57.75. In our next one, the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle is 32. Find the measure of one base angle. So in our triangle, remember that our base angles are congruent. We're looking for those, so we'll call them x. Our vertex angle is 32. So we know that together, 2x plus 32 has to equal 180 degrees. So we can subtract 32 from both sides, get 148. We divide by 2, so x is 74 degrees. Solve for x and y. So if we look at this using our angles, we know that these two angles are going to be congruent because they are corresponding angles. So 4x plus 2 equals 7y plus 2. We can move the 2 and the 7y over, so 4x minus 7y is equal to 0. Then in another equation, we know that these two form a straight line, or we can do that this angle and this angle are same side exterior angles, so they are supplementary. So I'm going to use that. 4x plus 2 plus 3x plus 3y minus 5 equals 180. So we get 7x plus 3y is equal to 183. So then we can solve a system of equations. So to get a variable to cancel out, I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 7. So I get 12x minus 21 equals 0. 49x plus 21y is equal to 1,281. So when we add straight down, we get 61x equal to 1,281. We divide by 61. We get x is 21, and then we can substitute that back in. So 4 times 21 minus 7y equals 0. Negative 7y is equal to negative 84. So when we divide, y is 12. So we get 21 12th. In our next problem, angle ABC is 152 degrees, 30 minutes, and 24 seconds. We want to find the measure of CBD, which was bisected. So first we want to find the remainder of the angle. So we're going to subtract from 180. So we need to borrow a degree to get 60 minutes, and then we're going to borrow a minute to get 60 seconds. Now we can subtract. So when we subtract, we get 36 minutes, 36 seconds, 29 minutes, and 27 degrees, which is this whole angle. So then we need to split that in half to get the angle we're looking for. So when we divide by 2, we get 13.5 degrees, 14.5 minutes, and 18 seconds. We need to get rid of those 0.5s. So remember that 0.5 of a minute is going to be 30 seconds, so that gets us 48. And then 0.5 of degree is going to be 30 minutes. So we're going to add 14 plus 30 to get 44 minutes. And then we can leave our angle, our degrees is at 13.